When people look at me, they see what they want to see, and that comes with a lot of expectations. I know what it's like to be judged and to be put down. I know what it's like to have other people form opinions of you without even knowing you, trying to dim your light. I want to say you are not defined by an Instagram photo, by a like, by a comment. That does not define you. I want you guys to know that the trick is to focus on the love. And what I want you guys to do, every rude comment you get, every person that tries to hurt you personally or through the internet, I want you to forgive them. Just forgive them, because they don't even know. They have no idea. There is so much love in this world and in this stadium. Do not limit yourself because of what others expect. We all deserve more than we think, and in the end, nobody remembers those haters, the comments. Nobody remembers them. They're just background noise. When it's over, nothing defines you but what you leave behind and what lives you touch on the way. But I'm so grateful for what I have, and I am ready for what comes next in my life. And if you take just one thing from today, let it be this. I want you guys to believe in yourselves, because I believe in you, and you guys need to believe in each other. So just do you. Be true to yourself. Love yourself. Have confidence in yourself, and everything will be fine. I am so excited for what's going to come next for you guys. Thank you so much.